Hey guys, and in this video I prepared a video comparison between GoPro Hero 10 Black and Hero 9 Black, comparing overall video quality. So we're gonna focus on contrast, saturation, white balance, but also all the footage that you're gonna see from GoPro Hero 10 Black was recorded in 5.3K resolution, so if you're going to watch it on a bigger screen, pay close attention to details. So over a course of like 2 or 3 months, we recorded lots of different scenes with different light conditions and different scenery. And I tried to select the best clips where the difference was the most noticeable. Okay, so let's take a look at the footage. So, if you were thinking about what's the video quality between these two cameras and which one should you choose, I would say that both of them look really good. It literally took me like a ton of footage to find those differences. Most of the time, the video quality was almost identical, so you cannot go wrong with either of them. The biggest difference that I could find was whenever I was using the natural color profile on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And whenever I was using vibrant color, the footage was almost identical. As I mentioned before, all the footage that you've seen from the GoPro Hero 10 Black was recorded in 5.3K resolution, and everything that you've seen from GoPro Hero 9 was recorded in 4K. So, could you see the difference? For me personally, even though I was editing this video project on an HD monitor, I could see that 5.3K resolution preserves the quality whenever you zoom in on that footage. So the details are sharper. But again, I only could notice the difference when I significantly zoomed in on that footage. As I mentioned before, both of these cameras have a very good video quality, so you cannot go wrong with either of them. Anyway guys, I'm really excited for the things to come because GoPro recently announced that they are working on their pro level camera, so I just cannot imagine what kind of video quality we can get out of it, even though it's already really amazing. Okay guys, so for today's video that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, I hope you liked it, and if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!